Yes. No, seriously, that gets stung by a bee. And now it's dead. This is never any bee being stung by died. I hurt. I hope I didn't get stung by a bee.
Who did?
Ow! Bad.
Bad bee.
Bad zombie.
Bad.
Bad. Bad zombie.
Bad zombie.
You're not coming out. Let me see. Do this. I think it did get stung. I don't know. Ow. Ow. My hand hurts. Here? Yeah, that hurt. Mr. Hotza, help!
Yes, sir.
Ow! Ow!
Bad zombie. Bad.
Ow! Okay, vampire. Ow! Screw this. I'm not gonna die. Gosh. Okay. You win. He's cutting me. Oh. How do you know? Did Shama do that? Bad kitty.
Bad kitty. Bad.
Kitty, where are you? I will in a second. Where's... I'll be right there.
Is he being a bad kitty again?
Yeah.
Shama. Oh yeah, you made a video on that kitty. We'll have to watch it soon.
Yeah. It's titled Peppy the Cat Being Silly.
Yes, sir.
Here. Oh no. I thought I got stung. I'm pretty sure you just got something escaped. That reminds me, today my dad got stung by a bee when he was outside. Oliver.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad got stung by a bee when he was outside.
Him too? Dang it, zombie.
Well, I hate bees.
Same here.
Those were bad bees.
Yeah, bad bee.
Bad bees.
Bad.
Bad bees.
Bad.
Ow. Yellow over hot, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Get into that. Oh my god. Girls. Scream. Fireworks.
Yeah, the videos came out
Are
pretty
you doing
poorly.
this?
Bad fireworks. Bad. Bad fireworks. Bad.
Oh, the
ground.
We're playing No? Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go pretty soon. My phone's at 58.
Oh yeah, you're probably gonna have to. You're right.
The battery sucks on the iPhone. That's the only thing I don't like about the iPhone. The battery sucks.
Yeah, batteries don't last that long on modern phones.
Batteries last long on like regular phones.
Yeah, on the ones that people stopped using, yeah, they actually do last a lot longer. They last for 8 hours, some of those phones.
Yeah. Well, by the way, Mom, another cool thing about the 5S is that the iPhone 5C only lasts the battery only lasts for 8 hours, and the 5S lasts for 12 hours. I mean, I like my 5C, but the speed and stuff is just pretty bad. It's made out of plastic, and it's very breakable. So, did you have a good 4th of July, Mr. Hata?
Yes, sir.
Did you do anything fun or anything? Like, did you grill out or anything?
Saw some of the fireworks. Did a race during the morning and saw some fireworks and basically rested.
Wow, cool.
Saw the fireworks around 10. Well, they went from like 9 to 10, but they didn't go for very long though. They didn't go as long as one would have thought of them as though. Still, it's pretty cool though to get to see the fireworks and actually film the sound. Wasn't able to film the actual fireworks because one can hear one now, but they're on and off at this hour.
Yeah.
Currently 11:14 p.m.
In my area, the fireworks don't start till like 9:30 or so.
Oh wow! And there were fireworks like on July 2nd, weren't there, in Sioux City, Iowa?
Yeah, there was fireworks like July 2nd. Yeah, downtown Sioux City.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a very good view of those fireworks.
You did well in that video.
Yeah, I actually got a very good view of the fireworks.
You got the best view of the fireworks. It was just funny your dad was just talking during the fireworks too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made a pretty cool video overall. We got 8-minute video. What are we gonna call this? Bad zombie, bad fireworks, bad bee, bad kitty. That's what we're gonna call this video.
Yeah. Bad bee. That bee almost stung me.
Bad bee. And bad bee beat up Dwan Catholic.
Yeah.
So we had a bad kitty, bad fireworks, bad bee. And what else? Oh yeah, bad zombie too. So we had four bad aspects of life into one.
Bad kitty, bad bee, bad fireworks.
Yeah, bad mosquitoes.
Ew. That's the only part I hate about summertime is the bugs.
Oh, who doesn't?
I know. I hate getting bug bites.
Who doesn't?
Ugh.
Doing
Bad bee
for almost stinging at you. Also faking a live stream at the same moment. It's fun to just make him fake.
Yeah.
Like, what do we have to lose? Our channels aren't even that popular anyway, so what do we even have to lose?
I know.
But definitely gonna have to upload those videos you made recently onto the download files. Pretty cool though. It's pretty cool that you got the footage. You got an actual view of the fireworks. That was cool.
Yeah, I got a really good footage of the fireworks.
Yes, sir, you did.
Yeah, but sadly they didn't get very many views.
There's many firework videos. There's gotta be like hundreds of those kind of videos. Same here probably, even though all the detail, it's like people aren't interested enough in the places we live.
I know, it's like, come on.
People aren't interested in Sioux City. They're not interested in Penn Yan, New York. That's where the fireworks took place. And they're not interested in Fairport, New York. It's like they're not interested in anything, most people.
Let's see here. Yeah, I'm just surprised I got a really good view of the fireworks.
Same here. Like, you actually picked the right view, and that was the best view one could have gotten of the fireworks. Like, that was the angle was right. How close the phone was to the fireworks for a view of the fireworks was right, and you had the right hour, because the fireworks were loud and colorful, so that made the fireworks videos do really well.
Well, I actually did pretty well on the.
You got 28 views, not bad. And how often do you get 28 views on a video? Not often.
Yeah.
You have 69 subscribers. Hey, we gotta do special for you guys. Still gotta do Tyler's 888 subscriber special. Still gotta do special for Christopher Ahaman, and so forth. So we'll probably make this special soon.
I need one more subscriber to reach 70.
Yeah, if you could reach 70, that would be we give you another special too. Since you hit 69 though, you're getting a special anyway. We might do your special tomorrow though. So we're just making this a kind of a random video. But we're gonna call this Bad Zombie, Bad Bee, Bad Kitty, and Bad Fireworks / random video Skype call. And we're gonna call this Bad Oovoo, since oovoo denied you from allowing us to call.
I know. You know what? I was actually the first one to upload fireworks out of all of us, actually.
You were the reason why too. We did a fireworks videos because of you. So you're gonna be given credit for this then. So you're the reason why this channel wanted to make fireworks. That we didn't get a good view because the laptop couldn't do it, and it would be too far to get to where the fireworks were.
Yeah.
And it's like midnight. It's 11:19 p.m. as of this moment, and it's literally midnight.
Yeah.
And our birthdays are tomorrow, which is even better.
Yeah.
There's a mosquito on the laptop.
Ew.
It's tiny though.
Wow, I just can't believe I actually did well in the fireworks videos. I know it's not a lot of views, but if you think about it,
But
that's
compared
pretty good.
to other videos, yeah. But look at some of your videos that only get like 5 views. That's a lot better than some of your other videos.
Yeah. I mean, by the way, both of the videos at least have 4 likes.
Yeah, that's progress. Just have to use the bathroom real quick, and then we'll probably get to a second part to this video.
Okay.